Go. Let's go. Let's go. Speed it up. Come on. He's just walking. Come on. Alright, let's go. Side to side. 2, 1. Go. All the way up. Pop it up. There you go. Abs contract. Come on. 10 more seconds. Come on. Alright, switch. Next. Careful. There you go. Go ahead. Good job, Ben. Come on. Let's go. Alright, let's go again. Let's go. Come on. You're just walking. Come on. Lift up those knees. Come on. Lift them up. There you go. Three more seconds. Come on, let's go. One more. There you go. Drop it. Drop the weight. Let's go. Lactic acid flowing? Yeah. All right. Go. Go. Okay, Ben. Breathe out. Exhale up. Come on. Exhale up. Exhale up. There you go. Come on. One more. Okay, drop it, drop it. Let's go. One more. 2, 1, go. Good. Stop. Hold it. Hold it for a second. Hold it. Alright, keep going. Go. Go. One more. One more. You can drop the weight. Alright. That's it.